Did you know that over 75% of car breakdowns are completely preventable? Most people think cars just wear out around 150,000 miles. But that's completely wrong. In today's video, I'm revealing the exact 13 habits that help me push my own car past 312,000 miles with zero major repairs. Continued. We're also busting one dangerous myth that's quietly destroying thousands of turbo engines every year. Stick around until the end. I've got a bonus tip that even experienced mechanics often forget, and it can save you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Stop blindly following the manufacturer's oil change interval. That 10,000-mile recommendation sounds convenient, but in real life, it can cost you an engine. Manufacturers push longer intervals to make their cars look cheaper to own during the warranty period. After 100k miles, you're the one paying the repair bills. Seasoned mechanics and high-mileage drivers all agree. Change your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months with full synthetic, especially if you drive in traffic, tow, or live in hot or dusty conditions. Stick to the manual and you risk sludge build-up, worn seals, and a 4,000-plus engine repair that was totally avoidable. Habit number 2. Change your transmission fluid before it starts slipping. Most drivers ignore the transmission until it jerks or slips. And by then, you're not fixing it, you're replacing the whole thing. Transmission fluid quietly breaks down into liquid sandpaper full of metal shavings and varnish. It may still look clean, but after 60,000 miles, it's doing serious damage. Smart owners do a drain and fill every 60,000 miles or 6 years. Hybrids can stretch to 90k, but don't push it. Never flush an old, neglected transmission. Just drain and fill with the correct OEM fluid. Habit number 3. Flush your coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Coolant is not lifetime. After 5 years, it turns acidic and starts corroding your water pump seals, heater core, and head gaskets from the inside. White smoke, mysterious coolant loss, or misfires. That's your engine begging for help. Flush it every 50,000 miles. Cheap coolant today prevents expensive engine damage tomorrow. Habit number 4. Replace the timing belt before it fails. This small hidden belt controls critical engine parts. If it snaps while driving, pistons can slam into valves and destroy the engine, easily costing $3,000 to $6,000. Change it every 60,000 and 100,000 miles or 7 to 10 years, whichever comes first. It ages even if you don't drive much. Habit number 5. Keep your spark plugs fresh. Worn spark plugs can reduce your fuel economy by up to 30%. You'll notice rough idle, slow starts, misfires, and raw gas smell. Most cars need them replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Habit number 6. Replace the fuel filter on schedule. A dirty fuel filter forces your fuel pump to work overtime until it fails. A $40 filter change can save you a $500 to $1,000 fuel pump replacement. Habit number 7. Flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid absorbs water over time, dramatically lowering its boiling point. Old fluid can boil in heavy traffic and cause soft pedal or complete brake failure. A cheap $22 brake fluid tester tells you in seconds if it's time. If moisture is over 3%, flush it immediately. Habit number 8. Service your differential and transfer case. These components transfer power to the wheels. Change the heavy gear oil every 30,000, 50,000 miles on rear-wheel and all-wheel drive vehicles. It's a simple drain and fill that prevents expensive whining or failure. Habit number 9. Clean your mass airflow MAF sensor. Dust and oil build up on the MAF sensor causes hesitation, rough idle, poor fuel economy, and check engine lights. A $10 can of MAF cleaner can save you hundreds on a new sensor. Spray the wires gently and let it dry. Habit 10. Replace the PCV valve every 30,000, 50,000 miles. A clogged PCV valve leads to oil leaks, high oil consumption, and blown gaskets. It's a cheap $10, $20 part and a 5-minute job that keeps your engine clean. Habit number 11. Get a wheel alignment every 15,000 miles or when steering feels off. Ignoring alignment can wear out tyres 30% faster and hurt fuel economy by up to 10%. A professional alignment costs just $7,500 but adds years to your tyres and suspension. Habit number 12. Never cold rev your engine. When the engine is cold, oil is thick and hasn't circulated yet. Revving hard causes metal-on-metal grinding. Idle for 30-60 seconds, then drive gently until the temperature gauge starts to rise. Turbo engines especially hate cold revving. Habit number 13. Wash the undercarriage every season, monthly and winter. Road salt and grime quietly destroy your frame, brake lines, suspension and exhaust. Regular undercarriage washes prevent expensive rust damage, especially in snowy or coastal areas. Bonus tip: keep a simple maintenance logbook. Write down every oil change, tyre rotation and repair with the date and mileage. This helps you spot problems early, makes mechanics respect you more, and adds real value when you sell the car. A $2 notebook can save you thousands over time.